no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video is actually going to be number 35 in our 365-day daily devotional. I'm going to do number 35 and also number 36. What happened was I'm doing everything from my phone. I used to use my laptop and, I would save like stuff that was already recorded. I would save it on my laptop and then transfer it over to my phone when I got ready to upload. Well, I lost my laptop in the tornado, so I'm working strictly with the phone at the moment, and my storage has gotten like so full that it won't let me upload. It'll pop up and say like storage full, please delete, la 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 la. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So I actually have ordered a new phone. It should be in any time now. So I'm just waiting on it. I'm going to use it kind of as a, use the new phone, use my old phone as a backup. That way I've got some storage to play with. But anyways, that's what happened. That's why there wasn't a video up on Monday. And I just wanted to give you guys an explanation and let y'all know what was going on. Anyway, so today's video will actually be number 35 and number 36. All right, let's jump in. All right, so today's video, before we get started, I just wanted to see if you guys saw anything different about me. Look. Oh my gosh, y'all, he finally asked. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, ain't she pretty? Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. I'm so excited too. Oh, so no date has been set, but we are engaged. I'm super proud of this. I'm so in love with the ring. He did so good. Oh, got down on one knee, the whole shebang. Oh, he did so good, guys. I had to share that with y'all first because obviously I'm so excited. I could not wait to tell y'all. But today's video is actually episode 35 of our 365-day daily devotionals. Now, we have been doing the Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. It is a fantastic devotional. It has got something new every day, and it just... man, the Lord uses it so much to talk to me. And I know that he uses it with you guys too, because the comment section of these videos is my favorite part of all of this. Just, hearing how these devotionals are helping y'all and you're getting closer to the Lord, or, hey, this is what the Lord's doing in my life, or, hey, can you pray for me for this, or, whatever. I just enjoy the comment section so much of these videos because just the testifying, and then, like I said, the prayer request. It's so simple to pray for somebody. It is. Come on, guys. So anyways, if you have missed any of the previous episodes, I will have those linked in the description box. And if you're wondering why I'm doing a daily devotional instead of my DIYs, you certainly have missed a lot. So I will have a couple videos in the description box to get you caught back up to date. All right, guys, let's jump in. Okay, number 35. So let me give you guys the verses. I like to give you all the verses. That way, if you want to jot them down real quick, maybe take a screenshot, you could just pause the video for a second if you'd like. But I like to look back on these verses throughout the day and just see how the Lord is using this, throughout my day. Whatever's going on in my life right this minute, or just whatever. But I do like to use these to see, see how the Lord's using them throughout the day. Okay. Bring me your weakness and receive my peace. Accept yourself and your circumstances just as they are, remembering that I am sovereign over everything. Do not wear yourself out with analyzing and planning. Instead, let thankfulness and trust be your guides through this day. They will keep you close to me. As you live in the radiance of my presence, my peace shines upon you. You will cease to notice how weak or strong you feel because you will be focusing on me. The best way to get through this day is step by step with me. Continue this intimate journey Trusting the path you are following is headed for heaven. Very, very good. Accept yourself and your circumstances just as they are. That one's hard to do, ain't it? Boy, do I know that. Okay, let's do the verses. The Lord gives strength to his people. The Lord blesses his people with peace. Psalms 29:11. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Numbers 6:24-26. But I trust in your unfailing love. With my heart rejoices in your salvation. Psalms 13:5. Very, very good. You know, it says, do not wear yourself out with analyzing and planning. Instead, let thankfulness and trust be your guide throughout this day. They will keep you close to me. Let trust and thankfulness, I had to look at it. Let trust and thankfulness be your guide. Don't plan. Don't analyze it. Don't think about it too hard. Just trust the Lord. Give him this day. Say, Lord, this is your day. You've given it to me as a precious gift. I pray that your will would be done in this day. And then just trust that the Lord's going to give you a good day. Believe that. All right, guys. Okay, wait. I almost forgot. We're actually doing number 36 today, too. So, wait a minute. We got one more devotional. This is actually today's devotional. The previous one was yesterday's. So, this is today's devotional, number 36. Let me give you guys the verses. I just like to take these verses and honestly see how the Lord uses them, throughout my day. Okay. Seek my face, and you will find not only my presence, but also my peace. To receive my peace, you must change your grasping, controlling stance to one of openness and trust. The only thing you can grasp without damaging your soul is my hand. Ask my spirit within you to order your day and control your thoughts. For the mind controlled by the spirit is life and peace. You can have as much of me and my presence as you want, through thousands of correct choices each day. The most persistent choice you face is whether to trust me or to worry. You will never run out of things to worry about, but you can choose to trust me no matter what. I am an ever-present help in trouble. Trust me though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. Trust, trust, trust. Yes. Okay, let's do the verses. Gosh, do you ever do that? Like you try to swallow and you literally can't swallow. Like nothing happens. I just about got choked. Anyways, here's the verses. Okay. The mind of sinful man is death, but the mind controlled by the Spirit is life and peace. Romans 8:6. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Numbers 6:26. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth gives way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. Psalms 46:1-2. Very good. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. You know, sometimes I don't really have anything to say after one of these devotionals because I feel like the devotional said it all. And I don't want to ever put my thoughts about it out there and it not be what the Lord once said. Does that make sense? Like, I pray over this devotional and I pray that the Lord will give me, the words to speak in order to bless you guys. So if I'm not feeling anything or the Lord's not giving me any words, I'm not going to say anything or I'm not going to give you my opinion of it because I don't want to say anything that God didn't intend to be said today. You know what I mean? If God has spoken to you through this devotional, then take it as it is. You don't need me to say anything. Just trust God. Just trust Him. I promise you, you will be amazed. Just trust God. No matter what. With everything. Trust Him. If I didn't have God right now in my life, and I'm so grateful to my parents, especially my dad, for raising me up in church and instilling those morals and beliefs and, teaching me that God loves me unconditionally all the time, no matter what, teaching me those things. I'm so thankful for that because I feel like now, obviously, especially now, since the tornado, it's probably the worst thing that's ever happened to me. So I have definitely had to trust and lean on the Lord through this. And if I didn't have that, guys, oh my gosh, I would be in a mess. I would be in a mess. I wouldn't know where to turn. I mean, I have no idea. I just can't imagine. I am so thankful for my God. So thankful. And I most definitely put my trust in Him. I pray that His will would be done over my life every day. And I'm not perfect. And I've told you guys before, I don't even go to church like I should, for heaven's sakes. But I know that God loves me. And I know that I can go to Him for anything. And that He's always going to be there. Always. No matter what. Yeah. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.